Hi, good morning, guys. Uh, Happy Makara Sankranti and Happy New Year again. This is the new vlog where I'm going to unbox the gadget. You know, right? Today it's date. Schools are not opening because of this pandemic, and we have a new variant called Omnicron. So, my son used to take online classes in Samsung Galaxy A31 mobile, which is not convenient for him to take class while they are teaching the concepts, right? So thought of buying a new tablet, which I'm going to unbox it. It is another than Samsung A7 tab. And you know, guys, today the Samsung A8 is going to launch. So I was waiting to buy that one, but I don't see much difference between A7 and A8. Considering the price point, I opted Samsung A7 tab, and I got a good discount around 3,500. If you have ICICI credit card, you will get a nice discount. And yes, let us join me and we'll together unbox the gadget. Here we go. Yeah. And I bought it this tab from Flipkart, and this is the cover. I bought it from Amazon for safety purpose. And yes, this is the specification you could see here. Yes, guys. This comes with the tablet and ejection pin, travel adapter, and user manual and data cable. Okay, and yes, this is manufactured in China and imported in Delhi. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as soon as we see, this is the first we see the tab, and yeah, we have this is the charger, right? I think it's 7.5 volt, and this is the one, the cable. This is the one, the cable we have, and this is the user guide, and yeah, the SIM ejector pin we have. Yes, here we go. And this is the one. So yeah, guys, this is all about unboxing. After proper using, I will give a user review. Thanks for watching.